Hi guys, nothing in the charity shops again today. So, Poundland again, another little Halloween project. Very simple one. Batteries are nothing to do with it. I just needed some more AAA batteries. Okay. Poundland Halloween paper lanterns. Obviously a pumpkin and a ghost. 2-pack. So there should be 2 in there. They're not particularly big, but in a video I did probably yesterday, I was saying that I couldn't find any string lights in Poundland. They seem to have stopped selling them. Well, different Poundland today, and they had plenty of them. I'll put a little video clip up of the ones that I found there, just so we can see them. Now we're back and we'll talk about this little Halloween project. You can probably guess already where we're going with this, just from the simple fact of what I got. I picked up some warm white and some bright white LED strings. There are only 10 LEDs in them, so they're not particularly big ones, but then these are quite small balls, or whatever you want to call them. It sounds like it started raining again, just after I've opened the doors, because the sun had come out and it was baking hot. The sun's still out and it is still raining. Never mind. Yeah, back to the subject. Couple of AA batteries. Let's see if these are any good. Switch it on. Yeah, we got LEDs alight, so they will do for demonstration purposes. So say, I'm pretty sure you can guess where I'm going with this. I really only bought them because in yesterday's video I'd said I couldn't find any, and when I saw them I felt honour bound to buy some and make use of them to demonstrate that they did have them. Does that make sense? I mean, they're only seasonal items, but they turn up in different places in their seasonal items. They did have the ordinary LEDs, but I just thought I'd get these wire ones, which are just tiny little, I expect they're cob light type LEDs, directly soldered across the pair of wires with a bit of hot glue or resin or something over the top of them to seal them. In fact, if I remember, I'll do a close-up of that one. So yeah, warm white. I'm going to use warm white in the white globes, and oh, there's a bright white, sorry, bright white in the orange globes. Bright white, warm white. I thought I picked up the warm white. Getting confused, Grandad. Right. We'll just have one. I think they're pretty tiny. These are actually intended to go on your normal lights. That goes through there, to suspend it. Those hook up under there, and then that would hook there, would go over your normal light cord, the one that goes down to the bulb from the ceiling. Anyway, all we're going to do is chuck these in here. Suitably randomly arranged. We'll have to go out in the garage again to get an idea of whether this works or not, because we can't tell in here, it's just not bright enough. And then my idea was just to hang that in there. Right, can't see them at all, so we'll wait until we can go outside, or out to the garage, and we'll put the bright white ones in there. Just in case you missed that, open it up, push that down to the bottom, pull it up, and then those little loops go over there. Funny how balls roll away. I'm actually thinking we probably could have done with the 20 LEDs rather than just the 10. Same price, £1, but they were the ordinary LEDs rather than these wire ones. You see these used on all sorts of things nowadays. Right, a couple more batteries. Finish the ones out here for now. I'm not short of batteries, I just like to get me money's worth out of old ones. Yeah, they're a brighter white. So feed them in there. You could probably get clever and wrap them around that wire frame. And once you've got it in there, you might want to redistribute them a little bit to tidy them up. Oh, don't want that to drop right in. Come back. There, that should hold it in place. Right, we'll go out in the garage and see if we can organise that so they look all right. I've turned down the white balance as much as possible, and I've also switched on the beware sign that I also made from Poundland stock. In fact, that's the one that I used a cob headlamp because I couldn't find any LED strings, and that works fine, and the lanterns work fine. Happy Halloween. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.